KB9 VWV.
KB9 VWV and 080, go.
From what I'm seeing on the radar and from what I'm gathering off their radio traffic, it's a real broad rotation north and east of New London.
North and east of New London. Okay, that's why they probably extended it by 15 minutes.
At this location, over. Just make sure you have an exit if you need to. But I could be wrong.
Could very well be. I noticed looking out of the window here at home, the darkness is getting broader with the clouds, so don't know.
I think I can see what they're looking at from down here now. I need to step outside here and look.
Yeah, there's a layer of darker clouds closer to the horizon ground area in the distance here to the northwest, and that's probably what they're seeing. Got any wind down there now, Ray?
Your traffic. 10-15 mile an hour maybe, but it's all out of the east. Yeah, I need to get a picture of this. There's a definite beaver tail here, and there's something under, but I got trees blocking it. Hopefully they got a better view than what I do. 4, please. 414, go with your traffic after you acknowledge us, please.
19, understood. I'm away.
Break 438. 438, send it. I've got a developing wall cloud rotating directly to my east. Okay, is it over Danville or what? Gonna be directly to the northeast of Danville. I'm getting ready to call their fire station for their chief now. Get another radio here back on their frequency here. Line 14.
Say it's going to probably cut loose here in maybe about 5 to 10 minutes or less. Wind's picking up just a little bit.
V8 update. Getting hail at this time. So far, are probably up to about half-inch diameter, maybe penny size. Copy. Penny size hail. 414. Go. Can you come out here to my location, please? No idea where your location is. Corner FCC. I can. B9 VWA. our way, but it's just a long, skinny cloud.
My 446, your traffic was completely broken.
Oh, 438, receiving golf ball size hail, have small branches down north side of Danville.
Copy that. Back in quarters.
Chevy Equinox going east on agency now. Believe so?
Simple.
Last three of the license plate was 457. That was Chevy Equinox.
442. Current conditions, observation, please.
Sustain, likely 40 to 55 mile an hour winds from the north, still receiving squirted golf ball size hail.
Weird though, one part of it's black and one part of the sky is white. I don't know if we're going to get much or not.
I have no visual. The sky is complete. Visibility is completely lost due to the rain.
Copy.
N0EJD, KB9, VWA.
JD, KB9VWV on Simplex.
Skywarn net control.
Looking for you.
Spotters need radio silence. All spotters need radio silence.
This is N0JD. We are blowing the Burlington sirens. What's it for, Ronnie? Possible rotation of the clouds around New London, Danville area, as far as I know. Roger, WB0SWQ. Get her downstairs and just play it by ear.
Copy 419.
Copy, 430, 421.
421, report. Just reached out P-size hail on our location. We're doing fine right now. P-size hail.
That's because we're getting the big stuff here. Okay, thank you.
419, break.
419, send it.
Giant size hail, 45 to 50 mile an hour winds at Mount Pleasant Street and 34.
Copy that.
Hey, it didn't look good when I started coming down the steps.
Yeah, I can't hear their frequency well enough on a small antenna to tell what they're saying, but yeah, it doesn't look good from down here. It looks like it's coming almost directly at me.
Okay. I had the background here, but anyway, we're in the basement now.
Step outside and check wind direction here real quick.
Okay.
Control from 438.
Fielding that from 419.
Stand by. Go ahead. Go ahead with your traffic. From 14, has anybody sent in the golf ball report for West Burlington? I was on the phone with 403. He's on chat at work. He's sending it. 10-4, thank you. Did you get paged out? Say again? Did you get called away? No, I came underneath. I thought my windshield was going to go. I'll be over there in a minute. out for them. 4-2 from 438. Go ahead. I am no longer receiving anything at my location, just very light rain. Would you like me to start back? Right now. Good, we'll stay in Danville.
R.S.W.S.
N0EJD, go ahead.
I believe the reason they're sounding the siren is 4-inch hail.
Okay, I got something about 4-inch hail. Your signal dropped in and out.
I believe they're sounding the siren for possibility of 1 to 4-inch hail. Yes, Grove Street just started back up.
GD, KB9 VWA.
VWV, go ahead.
Do you know, do they have any spotters south and west of Burlington?
I'm not for certain. They're not giving out exact locations. Angie, do you know?
Skywarn net control.
Something going on south and west of Burlington, Ron, but I really can't see it well enough to tell what it is.
Go ahead for Descom.
At this time, we can go ahead and shut down Middletown. The storm has moved out of that area. We'll be doing Burlington here in a few minutes. Go ahead with your traffic, please.
Flint Hills Drive, and we just had Gulf Front Hail. It's now down to pea-size.
I mean, I caught golf ball size hail, now down to pea size. What was your location?
2716 Flint Hills Drive.
Copy, 2300 block of Flint Hills Drive.
Ray, I advised one of the net control on the other side, but I didn't get any contact out of him yet.
Ron, I have definite rotation here just north of my location, just north of my house. I'm thinking it's right over the river, almost here, but I don't know for sure. It's kind of hard to tell distance with the way these clouds are. Moving south at approximately 20 mile an hour.
Copy, thank you. Nine from 442. From Skywarn for disregard.
From 440.
Go ahead, 440.
I'm relaying a message from Cindy to you at her location. She has incident tail at this time, along with 60 miles per hour.
You were broken. Can you send me that in a text message, please?
B2 413.
413.
Said that she had 60 mile an hour winds and 1-inch hail.
Copy.
Are now out of the southwest at approximately 40 mile an hour.
Injury duty, yeah, they're watching it. He's got about 3 to 5 things going on at once with him. I told him about it, so.
Speed is steadily increasing at this time.
Okay, what is the almost exact location of that, what you're looking at, so I can give him a better location?